I'd say Just Autos are the best tuning company in Australia.
We're experts in Toyota. That's what we do, that's what we specialise in.
Just Autos is a performance shop based around basically taking a farm truck and turning it into an animal. Me and my wife Laura bought Just Autos around 16 years ago. It was a little one-man shop back then. We bought it for a guy called Justin Lebrano, and that's how it ended up with the name Just Autos. It was Justin's Autos.
Over the years, a lot has changed.
Just Autos started off as a mechanical service business, and we'll service mechanical repairs and all those things.
I remember when I first started servicing Volkswagen transporters and stuff like that from like the early 90s, and they were clapped out cars.
Where we are today is we chose to just stick with one platform, being Toyota.
We've picked the cars that we love to do, and we do them really, really well. Overall, we build packages around the performance of these vehicles for touring, and pretty much everything else in between. We have a variety of people that come to Just Autos. You've got the guys coming through that are touring Australia. You also got the tradies and the weekend warriors that want to do their little camping trips and just have the power. Our customers are the most important thing to us, and I don't want to just be able to get them in for a package and kick them out the door. We really wanted to establish a relationship and look after them long term. Any concerns or problems in the future, we'll be a part of that journey with them.
We've designed our packages and our tuning for customers' reliability. So we want the customers to be happy and to be able to go off grid wherever they can and not be worried about the performance side, because everyone thinks of performance as performance. They're going to ring the hell out of my car, get big numbers.
It's our job and our duty to do the right thing by the customer, ensure that we can maximise their power, but also give them great value for money as far as reliability goes, and that's really important.
We have our own product range. We have our own heat exchangers, we have our own oil.
Everything that we have designed that fits with our packages has come from years of R&D. The 300 series intake pipe, we worked with 888 Racing. We had aero technicians come on board to help design the airflow. It was a lot of background engineering in one product.
We're on the dynos every day with these cars. We have another facility that we do a lot of R&D at. When we make an airbox, or we're making exhaust, or we're making componentry software, there's so many little things that we have to go through to make sure that they are right for when we send them out to a distributor. They can fit them without having a hassle. The customer gets the car and everything works the way it should. So we started off finding that we had a lot of cars coming interstate. We would have tilt trays turning up every day.
From Perth, WA, we've had some rocked up from Tasmania. The brand and what we do as a product, people wanted what we have, and we tried to figure out a way to deliver what we have.
And that is where we started our distributor network.
Those customers that wanted a Just Autos package or a Just Autos Touch that just lived out of reach, now we've opened the doors for them to be able to have a Just Autos package a little bit closer to home.
We've developed our own software for the Toyota vehicles. EasyTune is a company that I'm partnership in that does all the decompiling and software engineering into these cars. So it allows Just Autos to have a lot of functionality and able to add all these special things that we can give to our customers. That's the heart and soul, that's where it comes from, and that's how Just Autos uses it.
The thing is where we are different to lots of other companies where we don't just sell a tune. Every car that gets tuned through EasyTune, through a distributor, gets data logged. That data log report comes back to our software engineers here. It may be Matt himself or one of our other dyno tuners, and they double check everything before that car is released back to the customer. So we can customize tunes from a distributor to make sure it's on point where we want it before the distributor does a handover with that customer.
So if you're interested in a Just Autos package, we have nationwide distributors all around Australia. Please get in contact with us. The guys are happy to speak to you. Look forward to hearing from you.